Welcome back to Decor Insider, your go-to destination for modern home inspiration. Imagine a home where light flows freely, spaces feel larger, and every moment feels connected. Today, we're exploring the beauty, functionality, and style of an open-concept living room and kitchen design, a layout that defines modern living. An open-concept living room and kitchen design removes traditional walls to create one seamless, airy space. Instead of separating rooms, this layout blends cooking, dining, and relaxing areas into a single, cohesive environment. The result is a home that feels more open, more social, and incredibly inviting. One of the biggest advantages of open concept design is the sense of space it creates. Natural light travels effortlessly from the kitchen to the living room, making even smaller homes feel larger and brighter. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and open sightlines enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor living. Functionality is where open-concept layouts truly shine. The kitchen becomes the heart of the home, a place where cooking, conversation, and connection happen naturally. Whether you're preparing meals or entertaining guests, you're never cut off from the action. A kitchen island often acts as a stylish centerpiece, offering extra seating, storage, and workspace without blocking the flow. Design harmony is essential in open layouts. Coordinated colors, materials, and finishes help visually connect both spaces. Soft neutrals like white, beige, gray, and natural wood tones create a calm, balanced look. Subtle accent colors through cushions, artwork, or decor add personality while keeping the space elegant and cohesive. Even without walls, each area can feel clearly defined. Furniture placement, area rugs, and lighting help create visual zones. A sectional sofa frames the living area, while pendant lights over the kitchen island anchor the kitchen. These details bring structure without sacrificing openness. Since the kitchen is always on display, smart storage is key. Sleek cabinets, built-in appliances, and hidden storage solutions keep the space clean and clutter-free, maintaining the modern, polished look open concept designs are known for. An open concept living room and kitchen design reflects today's lifestyle, open, flexible, and connected. It maximizes light, encourages interaction, and creates a home that feels both stylish and practical.